Good afternoon, Americans. This is your favorite alien on the afternoon of Friday, September 8th, 2023. Sitting in for Paul Harvey this afternoon. Stand by for the rest of the story. Well, Americans, if Paul Harvey were here and he was doing a new story, he would probably tell Americans that this is a small way to get yourself away from the problems that you have and the energy problem that you got. You still need to work on the bigger problem. That is to develop a vehicle that can go from Miami, Florida to Detroit, Michigan, say, in 14 to 16 hours, like a gas car can. Okay, 14 to 18, maybe. I don't know how long it is from Miami. I know from Tampa to Detroit, it's about 14 hours. So if you can do that, that would be good. But since right now you don't have any vehicles outside of a internal combustion gas operated vehicle, as if Paul Harvey were sitting here, I would make a suggestion that Tesla, he is the top supposedly electric car maker. There's a lot of other cars that are made electrical. Ford makes one, Nissan's making one. You know, all the other car makers are making them. But if Tesla could take one of their models that they have, they can get 350 miles to a charge. But then again, you don't have any stations available for charging. So if you have individuals that would like to do this test, here's what I'm saying. Mr. Elon Musk over there at Tesla, develop a car that has both electric and solar capabilities. Have a solar panel, say, at the top of the roof of the car, and he's charging his solar panels while he's using his electrical power during the daytime. Soon as he reaches the maximum, say like 330 miles, leave 20 miles of electricity still there for emergency, switch over to the solar, and make a panel so you can go at least 250. So then go another 200 miles in there and have a stop within that time that you can either hook up to an electrical outlet and charge your electrical side of the car battery to the morning, and in the morning, if the weather is right, and most of the time it is, but there will be problems if you don't. But if you got a nice sunshiny day, then, well, you get solar panels. You still got the 50 miles to start with, and you start charging your solars in the morning as you go with electrical. So you still got another 300 and say 30 miles. 350 miles because you got 20, there. So yeah, you can go another 330, still leave the 20 miles there. And by that time, your solar panel should be recharged. And you see what I mean? You get, 330 the first night, plus another 200. So you're getting 530 1,130 miles and 530 miles. So you travel 1,100 miles in 2 days. That should get you there close to the Detroit area if you travel from Tampa. What do you say, Americans? If you can get Elon Musk to do this and other car companies to get involved on this with solar companies and produce cars with this kind of aspect to it, eventually the price will come down faster than your regular electric cars, and you can also set up energy charging stations, preferably by places that you go, say, hotels or motels to stay the night. And therefore, you got your interstate system still working. That'll change that from gas stations that you stop by to everything there. It'll change a lot of people because it won't have the same stop that you would have as far as gas-operated vehicles. So some businesses are going to get hurt. Some are going to be new because you're going to have businesses where you're going to stop on your electrical cars. But it's the same as what happened with the interstates. You lost a lot of businesses that way. And a lot of them moved to the interstates. You're going to lose some, you're going to gain some. There's going to be losses and pluses, but hopefully the pluses outnumber the losses. You had this in the 1950s and 60s when you started your interstate. Some towns died. They won't be as bad this time, but it'll still have consequences. So what do you say, Americans? You talk to Mr. Elon Musk and see if he's involved in this. This is your favorite alien sitting for Paul Harvey. And now you know the rest of the story. Good day.